Welcome to Joe and Emily News Reports.
That's right.
This just in, breaking news. There is a possible chance of Joe and Emily actually getting work done before traveling to Florida.
You're right, it's right here on the sheet. If you look at the spaghetti models from earlier, it shows a chance of noodling around, laziness, and an actual hurricane. We better get started. Back to you in the field, Joe and Emily. There's going to be a total of 4 4x8s, actually 3, and then this one's going to be real small. I can't draw, so don't worry about that. We need to cut these pieces down to fit this way, and then there's going to be a bunch of special cutouts, wheel wells, baggage doors, that also need to get cut out. And that's what we're gonna do right now. It's super simple. Once these are cut out, this can get, oh my gosh, epoxy. Duh. Let's go.
Let's do some measuring.
Cutting time. I swear the battery's charged. Dude, it's a full battery.
Hold on, I maybe just, yeah.
There we go. It's cutting time. It is time to do some cutouts. Gotta make sure all the plywood is like kind of square and it's spot. That way everything lines up later. But I'm gonna go underneath, trace out all the wheel wells, baggage door, slots and stuff. So, dude, we are so close. This is so exciting. So exciting.
I'm a gazelle, always running, adrenaline in every blood cell. Some say I'm unwell, but I don't care. Oh, I swear.
Alright, every piece that needs to be cut out is now marked and labeled, so that should make things easier. And also, I think I de-webbed this entire motorhome of all the spiders just by rolling around and sticking my arm in them, so... Alright, a few of you might understand and remember what I'm talking about here. A few months ago, many videos back, I mentioned we got this sweet 2000 Tacoma right here for free. Yeah, it was from my parents. My dad got a new truck and he gave me this one. So I hired a mechanic. It was the same mechanic that did all the work on our motorhome, and he did an excellent job. Well, 3 months later, after hiring him to work on this bad boy, like he came, took it apart, grabbed the head, to get milled because it was a head gasket issue. So it's a pretty decent, easy fix. Not terribly expensive, but we also bought a bunch of parts. Like I paid him for his labor. He picked up the parts and then nothing. Months go by. Try to call him, try to text him. I get these weird responses and he just kind of flaky, says he has stuff going on, which absolutely I get. We were beyond patient, and then I found out he blocked my number. Calls went straight to voicemail, text messages never got delivered. So I tried messaging him and calling him from Emily's number, and guess what? It goes through. So I kind of put him on the spot, being like, hey, if I don't get the parts or the money back, you know, I don't want to take legal action. I sent this in a text, by the way. And he calls immediately saying, oh yeah, I'll bring the parts by. Yeah, no problem, give me a day or two and I'll be there. So, I don't know, we'll see, but I guess we're not gonna have a truck because I'm just gonna sell it. Not sure what to do. It's unfortunate, but it's been a little painful trying to deal with. I don't know. Anyone ever been through a situation like that? It's a huge bummer. We wanted a second vehicle, especially a truck, but I don't know if it's worth even pursuing it anymore. I don't know if the parts are gonna come back. I know he said that, but he'll probably just block that number, so. Okay, enough of the rant. But this all just happened today, so let's get back to the flooring. That actually makes me happy.
Has got the time, not me. I'm a gazelle, always running, adrenaline in every blood cell. Some say I'm unreal, but I don't care. Oh, I swear, I don't care. Don't care.
Here. So the flooring's almost
What did you
done.
do?
What did you do?
All right, it looks pretty clean. Good job.
Crazy, right? Like, this is happening.
It looks legit.
Okay, well, we got our super sweet flooring cut out, and it fits. Everything's good. Now we're gonna get straight to epoxying. I don't know how long the cure process is, so we're gonna get a coat on all the pieces tonight, and then tomorrow hopefully do the other side so we can get it painted and move on from there. Blah 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 blah. You get it. Let's do it.
Some say I'm unreal, but I don't care. Oh, I swear, I don't care.
Well, the epoxy on the flooring is completo, and it looks actually pretty cool. Emily and I were talking. This looks like a roller skating type surface or a polished basketball court, and now we want to make some to skate on. Nope, not today though. What I got to do now is sand all those little look like frozen water droplets on the edges that hardened up, because otherwise it won't sit flat, and then I'll scuff the rest of it so it holds the primer paint that's going to be going on next. Fun! Sanding time. Which is something you should say when you're at the beach. Nope. Nope. Okay, next. Gotta wipe off all that epoxy dust or the paint won't stick. Okay, I'm stoked. It's time to paint. And that's like one of the last things that needs to be done to get this flooring in. So we actually have some special guests showing up today. So I want to get this done so they don't have to be put to work. You know, I'm not trying to do that. And if you see them working, it was their idea, not mine. But you might recognize them, and it's exciting to have them here. They're gonna be spending the week with us, so let's get this done. All right, about halfway done, but got a little too excited. It's going a little too fast and freaking, look at that, I ruined my pants. It's okay, they're work shorts. All right, I'm distracting myself. I need to help guide Kelsey J in.
Like, who are these people, Dad?
I know. Sorry.
I don't
I'll stay
know.
back.
Look who it is!
Hi,
Is this
guys.
Pippa?
No, that's Pixie.
This is
Oh,
Pixie.
Pixie.
So she's the youngest. She's only like, what, like
kitten.
10 months?
Oh.
It's like once you've built up all the tools and once you've got everything you need,